of what's happening, and based on the stories on the dailies, we'll start off with the Standard. What next? And of course, this is the controversy that was brought about after the opposition leader Raila Odinga came out to say that there had been a meeting between some businessmen from Dubai who may be the ones who've been awarded the tender to print the ballot papers by IEBC with the president. So of course, a conflict of interest right there, according to the opposition and some of the presidential candidates. So the question is, what next? Now, IEBC's position is that Gurarair tender is done. It's a done deal, and there is no reversing. It's not going to be cancelled. It's already been signed, so there is no backtracking on that. Of course, the other issue that they have raised is that if they should reverse it right now, then the question, of course, would be a question of time. Will they be ready before the general election? They also, IEBC, maintain that they are ready to act on any staff that possibly may have been compromised or may have acted against the law. Should there be any staff found who've gone against the law in this whole procedure, they're willing to release them and let them go, and of course, have them face the law. No evidence of wrongdoing. That's according to IEBC. NASA's position is as follows. Maintains that the tender was compromised and must be cancelled. NASA also has come out and written to IEBC on a planned court action. And finally, once IEBC staff probed, remember they had also insisted that the CEO, Ezra Chiloba, should also resign, given that he basically was part of the staff that was involved in that tendering process. Jubilee's position is the president says the election date will not change, must not change. NASA has panicked, according to the president, and is using the route to have the polls postponed. The president also said any firm can print the ballot papers. In fact, they have been on record saying it doesn't matter, even if it's a firm that belongs to the opposition leader Raila Odinga. But of course, that is what you'd call politicians speaking.